And continuing on here with the 4th of July savings here at Home Depot is the next grill in the grill department. This here is their Nevo 720 propane gas grill. And it's got a new lower price, so it doesn't mean that this is going to end, I don't think. It looks like it just has a new lower price now, down to $249 from $600, which means if anybody paid $600 before, holy cow, did you overpay? And I would probably come back and try to claw some of that money back from them. This uses the Nextfi here, enabled by Nextgrill. So you get some little digital control there from your phone. Okay, and then be careful with some of these Traeger grills, because you can see right here it says $7.99, and it's in their flyer here too for the 4th of July sale. But just because Home Depot and Lowe's put something in the flyer doesn't mean it's on sale. That's the thing you got to watch out for. Not every item in that flyer is on sale. Don't forget that. Very important point. Now, also in the flyer here at Home Depot for the 4th of July sale is the Loco. Now this one here, down to $4.99, so it was $5.99. This is $100 off on this, and I'll put links to this down in the video description below for you. All of these big ticket items here, I'll show you the links. So this is the 2-burner smart griddle, and what I like about this, and I'll show you these knobs in a second on the bigger unit, and then here's the bigger unit. So you got these here, these are called the Smart Temp Precision Griddle. I like these knobs here because you'll see the temperature that it's at right here on this little display, and then you got blue LEDs right here that light up at night, and then this logo here on the knob lights up at night also. So there's what it looks like when it is all lit up and everything. So you have this thermostat temperature control for precise cooking options. Now of course this bigger one is going to be more money. It's the 36-inch version. That's $7.99. But if you just want to get your feet wet and get the 2-burner version, there it is right there. 26 inches. And we showed you this before at Memorial Day. So this is Nextgrill's least expensive option right here. So they've taken $50 off here during the 4th of July sale also, and it's down to $199 from $249. I don't think this is necessarily a sale price. I think this is the new price going forward. But look, $199 to get an offset smoker like this. That's about as cheap as you're going to get, folks. And then here in the OPE for 4th of July, Home Depot has this deal going on here with this Ryobi 15-inch kit. This is the trimmer. And so I like the fact that it's a bigger. This comes with a 71-minute runtime. This kit comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. So here's the entire trimmer here. And I'll put a link to this down below for you as well. So they've taken $30 off of the kit. Click on that little products button there on the lower left. It should open it up for you to be able to see it, and then you can buy it. And of course, if you buy anything through any affiliate links off our channel here, off our videos, we'll get paid for it. And hopefully you'll do that and support our channel in that manner. Now, in terms of some of the tool deals here at Home Depot for 4th of July, I want to show you a couple of these displays that were put out here. Our stores sometimes will jump the gun by a few weeks. This right here is the DeWalt jump starter with the air compressor and a power inverter built into it. This sucker is heavy duty, and it's all digital. Goes up to 120 psi, and it gives you 1600 peak amp starting. And it also gives you 2 AC outlets at 500 watts. And it also gets some USB outlets as well. Now they're showing it here at $199, and I checked online. I mean, nobody has it any less expensive. You're always going to pay full retail for this one. Even Amazon has it for like $197. Big whoop, you save $2. But they have Prime on there. So I'll put a link to both of these down below for you as well, for Amazon and Home Depot. Here's the other display that you see. This wasn't supposed to go up until June 17th, and it's supposed to run until September 3rd. So this deal that they're running here is you get the power stack battery right there and the DCB 1112 charger. This is what they give you in all the kits here for DeWalt. But you can see, so this is down $10 from $169 to $159. That's a new lower price. So remember, just because you see something on a floor stack doesn't mean that it's on sale. And then here's the exclusive Atomic 20-volt max brushless cordless 23-gauge pin nailer. The DCN 623B. And this is at $249. There's no special pricing as far as I can tell on this one. And then they got this other display that they just put up too. And this one also, same thing. See, they jumped the gun on it. It went up a little bit early. It's supposed to go up on July 17th. So look for it in your store coming soon. I have these at home. Actually, I think I got the bigger ones. I think I have the bigger ones of these. But it claims on here 100 pounds of clamping pressure. So I was using similar ones to these this week when we were installing kitchen cabinets. Because we use these to clamp so that you can run the screw through it. You get the cabinets perfectly aligned to each other, you know, the front edges with no lippage. I usually run 3 of these up each cabinet box. All right, so anyway, now you have the auto load folding knife here. This is the retractable utility knife. You have the 25-foot Tough series. So this one is $5 off from the normal price, down to $24.97. And then you get the hammer. This is the 20-inch steel Rip Claw. This thing looks like a beast. Looks like it's got the magnetic holder there for your nail, so you can go and start your nail without killing your fingers. $24.97 for this 20-ounce hammer. Oh yes, and somebody pinch me. I've been waiting for this one to show up here. This is that 20-volt powered pruner, battery-powered pruner. This is tool only. They say it cuts 1,100 cuts per charge. Maybe if you're cutting popsicle sticks, I don't know. I can't imagine that it could really cut that many cuts on a single charge. So anyway, yeah, it says battery and charger sold separately. So this thing is 129 bucks. I'm gonna keep my eye on this. If I see any tool deals come up with this, or a BOGO or something, I might snag one. Keep your eye also on those special buys of the day that Home Depot does on their website from time to time. You might see this show up somewhere with a battery or something. You never know. And just like the other DeWalt floor stacks I was showing you, this you might not see in your store yet because it's really supposed to go up on the 17th. Okay, now they have another stack here that they added on here into the DeWalt floor stack. So this one also starts on the 17th. Now here you've got the 21-piece black and gold drill set, $29.47. I think this is overpriced. I've seen these in the low 20s before. You can get them when they're coming down in price. I think that's a little bit, so unless you really need to get a set, you know. Now here you have the Atomic. This is the drill kit right here. Now this comes with and I think that's it's a 3 amp hour battery and a charger and a bag. And this is their shortest hammer drill. This is actually an Atomic hammer drill right here. Compact 1/2 inch. So that's pretty cool. I mean, look at that short distance on this. I know my DCD 996 is very large and heavy. Okay, so this is $189 on this tool. And checking out my favorite department here, the clearance. Looking for some clearance deals at Home Desperate. All right, so look at this. Here's that kit. This is that M18 kit. I say they've got all of these tied together here. This is that 5-tool kit, and you can see it's down about $150 off. Okay, so here's all of the tools in here. I don't think that's a hammer drill. I think that's just a regular drill driver. There's an impact. You got a multi-tool, a sander, and a light. I don't always consider a light as a real tool. I mean, it sort of is, but think of it as you're getting 4 tools and a light. That's a better way to think of it. So there's everything that comes in this kit right there. Okay, now if you guys haven't paid attention in the last couple of videos we did, you know they're running this buy one get one tool deal here from Milwaukee, but I just wanted to remind you guys. See that right there? It ends on July 16th. So you've basically got about 2 more weeks to go on this deal if you want to capture some of these tools. And it looks like they've already sold out in this store anyway of the $199 kit for the batteries that enables you to get the other tool for free. So who knows, they may have some in the back, I don't know. And they still have plenty of the other batteries here for the $299 deal, where you get the 2 XE 6.0 output batteries right there, and then you get to choose one of these free. And of course, you know me, I think the best deal here is getting this light for free. This is the M18 Rocket light. I have this light. I was using it this week, installing cabinets at a friend's house. This is invaluable to have something like this. You just extend it all the way up to the top, 7 feet up or so, and you let it fill the whole kitchen with light as you're working. It's incredible. Love that tool. Love it, love it, love it. And I think tonight I'm finally going to cash in on my Ryobi Days deal here. I really need a couple more batteries, but I like having these high output ones here to put like on the air compressor that I use, which is nice. Yeah, so I just need to decide which one of these tools I want to get free. I know a lot of guys suggested getting that stick vac. This store only had like 1 of them. Some of the stores just have an empty bay where it's supposed to be. I think the smart money here is going to choose the 18 gauge brad nailer. And remember, all of these Ryobi Days buy one get one free tool deals, the entire summer deal set here is going to end on July 17th. You can see it right there. Now all of the Makita tool deals that you see here are going to be coming down on July 30th. So if you were on the fence about any of these, you can see they're already starting to sell out of these things. But even so, you've got about another 30 days. I wouldn't wait. If you see something you want now, just come get it. Now this is the Ryobi lawnmower that they've been showing in the 4th of July flyer here at Home Depot. So this is down from $499 is what they had it here on the floor for. and it's down to $449. Now we don't know how long this is going to last. I'll put the link for you down below online so you can check it out. Now I can tell you, I have their higher end, probably their top of the line model that I got on clearance here a couple of years ago, and I'm loving it. I like it better than my DeWalt mower. It's more powerful and it has better self-propulsion than the DeWalt does. And my particular Ryobi also has a LED light on the front, which is kind of nice for those nights where you're rushing home from work and you barely get home in time with enough daylight to get the lawn mowed. Okay, now also with Ryobi, make sure you come in and check out all of their 40 volt, the HP series. This is their highest performance models, because you're seeing a lot of deals, just like I showed you earlier with that other OPE. This kit here, this combo kit, is down to $329 from $449. So this one here packs their powerful 15-inch string trimmer right here. It pairs it with this 600 CFM jet fan blower, and this thing's a beast. So the only one I know more powerful is the Ego, and also my Greenworks blower. I think it's 730 CFM. Now this is a great score here for outdoors. This is the Hampton Bay. This is called the Seagrove, and it's an octagonal gazebo right there. See, so there's your height, there's all your dimensions and everything on this. And this thing is all the way down here. Look at that, $299. That's a pretty decent price, because if you just go even get like these pop-up tents, they're often $199. A 10 by 10 pop-up tent, you go look in the stores, you'll often see them for $199. And here's what it looks like right there. I gotta show you these. These are really cute. These are very, very convenient. If you just need a tiny little stepping stool right here, this is what you got to get. The Anvil 8.5-inch folding step stool. This will handle 300 pounds, and it's got these easy carry handles right here for the pair. $11.88. I don't even know how they can make money on this one. All right, now here's a great deal I like on the ceiling fans. This right here is the Ashby Park. It's a 52-inch ceiling fan, and this one satisfies all of my requirements for ceiling fans, because I'm not a big fan of ceiling fans anyway, but when I do install one for somebody, this is what I want to do here. You get the LED, so it already comes in there, and this one here comes with the remote, and it's dimmable as well. And also your blades are reversible, and not only that, you can change the color temperature of the LEDs on there, which is nice. It's a great feature to have, because everybody has their own preferences on what color they want the light to be. And this puts out 1100 lumens, which is about as bright as most of the bedroom ceiling lights that you will buy, so that's pretty good. And it only takes 20 watts here and 3000 Kelvin, so it's just barely warm white. And to me, this is a must. This is a non-negotiable for me when I buy a ceiling fan. It has to have the remote with it, because you want to make sure it's all self-contained with its own technology. And a lot of times you think you're going to install a ceiling fan up on an outlet on the ceiling, and something's wrong with the wiring that was done, or there's no switch, like you have the power can to your ceiling fan is going to be on the whole time, and how are you going to control this on and off, and especially the light too. And that's where having that remote comes in. It's so important to have that. And I'm not a fan of buying a ceiling fan and now I gotta go spend another 45, 50 bucks on some stupid remote, and I don't even know if the receiver on there is gonna fit inside the canopy of the ceiling fan. And then you gotta stand here in this dizzying array of ceiling fans and try to determine, hey, if I buy a particular remote, is the receiver gonna fit up inside there? So by purchasing a ceiling fan that has the remote already built into it, you're saving yourself a lot of headache, and it takes a lot of thinking out of the equation here. Now, we just bought a $4,000 LG refrigerator back in December, and so far so good. 7 months, no problems. So I don't mind recommending the LG. I won't recommend the Samsungs, but here, their sale here for the 4th of July ends on 7/12, July 12th. But look at the savings that you're getting total here off of this. This is the whole 4-piece suite right here, the whole package deal. So you're getting $1,294 special buy savings, and then you're getting the suite savings of $400, and then you're getting the rebate of $444 directly from LG here on this. So your total here is $2,648 for the 4-piece package. And inside it looks very much like mine, with the meat drawer and everything down here as well, except mine's much fancier in the fact that I have a water and ice dispenser in the door, and we also have the other window right in here as well. So here's the suite right here, and these all have the Think technology on there. I have that on my refrigerator as well. And also for the 4th of July appliance sales here at Home Depot, We have the GE 4-piece suite as well as the LG sitting over here, which I'll show you that in a minute. But here's what they did on the LG. So the entire suite would have been $47.56, and they took $17.54 off as the special buy savings, $400 for the suite, and then $304 for their instant rebate from GE. Now, if you're going to come in and buy it, I wouldn't wait until 4th of July, because everything here says while supplies last, right? Even though it ends on the 12th, usually the stores book up weeks out for delivery. So you want to make sure and get in here and get it now, or order it online now, and then pick your delivery date and get it done quickly. So you're not waiting behind all the other people that waited until 4th of July weekend to come in and buy it. Now, there's just too many deals here to be showing you every single one of these. I'm going to put a link down below for you into the main 4th of July appliance sales for you. And here's stuff that's not in the ad, but they've got them here anyway. This is the Vasani refrigerator, 7.1 cubic feet, and it's down $70 to $2.99. So they have a whole display of these right here. It's got a stainless steel look. Now, for ladder deals, Home Depot is showing in the 4th of July flyer here for the 4th of July sale this particular 8-foot fiberglass Werner ladder. It says in the flyer that it's $169. However, their sticker on the shelf here is showing it at $149. And yes, this is the same SKU number because I compared it to what was on the flyer there. You can see it right there, that $89.15. And then you remember we used to show you this ladder every once in a while when it went on sale. This is that 22-footer. So this is that 22-foot multi-position Werner ladder. I have this one at home. I love this ladder. And it's rated at 375 pounds. And you can see it's $80 off right now, down to $199. Now, those of you who follow our channel and saw us buy this a few years ago at a much better discount than this. This ladder used to be priced at something like $229, and I can't even remember. It might have even been priced at $199 in the past, but we all got it at a real good score one time. And the other ladder deal they're running here right now is this Gorilla ladder. Now, this is a 9-foot max reach, okay? And the ladder itself is 4.5 feet tall. And there you go. They only took $10 off, but on a smaller ladder like this, hey, that's not too bad of a discount. It's better than paying full price for it. And I really love the fact that it comes here with this removable project bucket. I am so sick of trying to use the top of a stepladder for tools, and it doesn't hold anything, and they all fall off. And don't forget, if you collect Ridgid tools, you also have this buy one get one free tool deal here. So if you buy any one of these tools right here, they'll give you here this 2-pack of the lithium-ion battery here. This is the 2 amp-hour batteries. So here's your Ridgid tool. Choose your poison, folks. And then this is the package of the batteries that they're giving away free. Now, this deal's been going on a few weeks already, and you can see this ends on July 23rd. So each of these tool manufacturers sort of has their own end date for their 4th of July sales here at Home Depot. And then more Makita deals here. They've got the brushless circular saw kit, and this is the one right here. This is the 7.25 inch 36 volt, and they've taken it down to $299, was $359. So this comes with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries, and there's still no deals on the miter saws or anything like that here in store. And in fact, there wasn't too many tools shown on the 4th of July flyer other than the buy one get ones that we've already showed you. They're not really 4th of July sales. They've been going on for a few weeks now. So these are not really specifically 4th of July sales. These have been going on for several weeks now, but they are winding down. Yeah, see, so here's the Ryobi vacuum right here, and you can either get it at $199, so $50 off, or just get it as your free tool if you do the buy one get one free. See that? That's the stick vac. Okay.
Please add or decline the Home Depot Protect. Please add or decline the.
Okay, so there it goes. There's your deal right there online there, the buy one get one free for the Ryobi days.